Hello, and welcome to another how-to video brought to you by Summit Hosting. Today, we're going to be showing you how to copy files from your local computer over to your Summit Hosting server. One thing that's important to know before we get started is that in this video, we'll be showing you an example of moving a QuickBooks Company file from a local computer to the server. But this process is the same for any file you want to transfer to your server. So, keeping that in mind, let's get started by opening up our TrueGrid connector application and logging in. Once we've logged in, we'll see our server listed in the TrueGrid window, but we don't want to connect just yet. You don't need to go through this step every time you need to transfer files, but it's a good thing to check if this is the first time you're moving files to your server. First, let's go to the top right corner and click the drop-down arrow next to the profile icon. Select Settings from the list, and within the Settings window, navigate to the Device Redirection settings on the left side. Within this list of settings, you should see two at the bottom that say Redirect All Drives and Redirect Clipboard. Make sure both of those are turned on in green, then save your settings and exit the settings window. Now, we can log into our server and get started. Once we're logged into the server, we're going to navigate to the yellow Windows Explorer folder in the bottom left corner of the screen. After that window pops up, you'll notice a list of file locations on the left-hand side. You may see your local computer's C drive showing in this list, and if you do, you can click on it and access your local computer's hard drive. In this case, however, I'm going to click on the This PC option in the list and find the file I'd like to transfer this way. You'll notice that when I clicked This PC, I see a Summit Hosting C drive, a Shared Files S drive, and then I see the C drive from my computer. Your PC's name may be something completely different from what you see listed here, but it's important to know that the two options listed above are the storage drives on your server, not your local computer. We want to move files from your local computer to your server, so in this case, make sure you're navigating to the correct drive. Let's open the C drive on my computer and find the file we want to transfer. To get to the file, first go to the Users folder, then Your User folder. In this case, I know that the file that I want to move to the server is on my desktop. Your file may be located on your desktop as well, but it could also be in your Documents folder, your Pictures folder, or any other subfolder you use on your computer. Wherever your file is currently located on your computer, click on that folder and find your file. Once you've found your file, there are a couple of different ways that you can transfer it. You can click and drag it from the window to your desktop or any other location on the server, or you can copy and paste the file. In this case, I'm going to copy my file, and then I want to make sure I put it in a common area where other people or members of my team would be able to access it if they need to. I'll right-click on the file, select Copy from the drop-down menu, and then go back to This PC on the left-hand side of the window. I'll select the Shared Data S drive, open the folder I want to place my file in, and then right-click in any blank area in the window and select Paste from the menu. Now, as you can see, my file is now showing in the folder I selected on the server, and the transfer is complete. However, there is one other way that you can easily transfer files from your local computer to the server, and it's by using the same copy and paste method we just used. Using the same example of a file on my desktop, let's quickly go over how you can copy and paste your file from your computer to your server without going through all the same steps we just did. First, minimize your server connection using the minus icon on the blue bar at the top of the screen. Next, find your file on your computer. Again, in this case, my file's on the desktop, but yours may be in a folder somewhere else on your computer. Right-click on your file and select Copy. Then, reopen your server window that you just minimized at the bottom of your screen. Now, all you have to do is navigate to the location you want your file to be stored, right-click, and select Paste from the menu. Since my file's already where I want it, I won't try to replace it, but the process is as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching this quick Summit Hosting how-to video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and we'll see you next time.